Believe it or not, studies show that babies can actually taste what their moms eat while in the womb, thanks to the flavors that pass through the amniotic fluid. Today, we're going to dive into the fascinating world of fetal taste development and explore whether babies really can taste mom's food in the womb. One common myth is that babies don't develop their senses until after birth. But that's not entirely true. While it's true that babies can't see or hear the same way outside the womb, their sense of taste and smell are actually quite advanced, even before they take their first breath. Another misconception is that the womb is a sterile environment, but in reality, it's a complex ecosystem that's packed with flavors and aromas. From the moment of conception, babies are surrounded by the nutrients and substances that their mothers consume, which can have a lasting impact on their development. Furthermore, many people assume that babies are just naturally drawn to certain flavors or textures, but the truth is that their taste preferences are shaped by their experiences in the womb. This is because the amniotic fluid surrounding the baby contains flavors and chemicals from the mother's diet, which the baby can taste and smell. This exposure to different flavors can influence the baby's food preferences later in life, which is pretty amazing when you think about it. In fact, some research suggests that babies as young as a few weeks old can distinguish between different tastes and flavors, which is a testament to the incredible complexity of human development. The idea that babies can taste their mother's food in the womb might seem far-fetched, but it's backed by some pretty compelling scientific evidence. Studies have shown that the flavors and aromas of the mother's diet can pass through the placenta and into the amniotic fluid, where the baby can detect them. This isn't just limited to sweet or sour tastes either. Babies can even detect complex flavors like garlic or spices. And it's not just about the flavors themselves. The nutrients and chemicals in the mother's diet can also influence the development of the baby's taste buds and digestive system. One of the most convincing pieces of evidence for fetal taste development comes from a study where mothers were asked to drink a sweet or sour solution, and then the amniotic fluid was analyzed for flavor compounds. The results showed that the flavors of the solution had indeed passed through to the amniotic fluid, which means the baby was exposed to them. This has some pretty significant implications for our understanding of how babies develop their sense of taste and how it's shaped by their experiences in the womb. Another study found that babies whose mothers had consumed more spicy food during pregnancy were more likely to enjoy spicy flavors themselves. This suggests that the flavors and aromas of the mother's diet can leave a lasting impression on the baby's developing sense of taste. And it's not just about the baby's taste preferences either. This can also influence their food choices later in life. For example, a baby who was exposed to a diverse range of flavors in the womb might be more open to trying new foods as an adult. In fact, some research suggests that the flavors and aromas of the womb can even influence the development of the baby's brain and nervous system. This is because the sense of taste is closely linked to the brain's reward centers, which are responsible for motivation and pleasure. So, it's possible that the flavors and aromas of the womb can shape the baby's emotional responses to certain foods later in life. So, what does all this mean for our understanding of fetal taste development? In short, it means that babies are capable of tasting and responding to flavors in the womb, which can have a lasting impact on their sense of taste and food preferences later in life. Thanks for watching, and if you have any thoughts on this topic, be sure to leave them in the comments below. If you're interested in learning more about baby development, check out our video on Do Babies Really Talk to Moms Before They're Born?